Hi foodies, welcome to Healthy Lunchbox series episode number 7. Today we are making a delicious and nutritious Bottle Gourd Sprouts Rice. This recipe is perfect for a healthy lunchbox and is packed with flavors and essential nutrients. Let's get started. To begin, heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of sesame oil in a clay pot. Sesame oil not only adds a rich nutty flavor but is also packed with healthy fat. Once the oil is hot, temper it with 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let them splutter. Follow it with 1/2 teaspoon of urad dal and 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seeds. These adds a wonderful crunch and an earthy flavor to our dish. Toss in a few curry leaves for a burst of aroma and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric for its vibrant color and anti-inflammatory properties. Now let's add 1/2 cup of sliced shallots. Saute until they are light golden. This adds a very sweet and delicate flavor to the dish. Then add 6 to 8 garlic cloves crushed for their robust flavor and health benefits. Also add in 1 finely sliced tomato and saute until it turns mushy. This releases a nice tangy juiciness. You can just give a gentle press with your spatula too. Now let's season it with salt, chili powder and 1½ teaspoons of sambar powder. These spices just bring out the heat and depth to the dish. Mix well to ensure the spices blend really thoroughly. Now it's time to add our star ingredient, 2 cups of bottle gourd chopped into big cubes. Bottle gourd is very low in calories and high in water content, and it's great for hydration and weight management. Mix this well and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Next add 1/2 cup of moong sprouts. These are just nutrient powerhouse rich in protein, vitamin and minerals. Mix again, cover and simmer for about 10 minutes. Let it cook in its own water, enhancing the flavors while keeping the nutrients intact. Once the bottle gourd is cooked yet firm, pour in 2 cups of water, increase the flame to high and bring it to a boil. Here we have 1 cup of Siraga Samba rice which has been washed thoroughly. This rice is known for its fragrance and easy digestion. Add adequate salt for the rice. As the water comes to a boil, add the rice and mix well. Wait for it to boil again, then simmer and cover it with a lid. After exactly 5 minutes, open the lid. It's perfectly cooked. Top it up with 1 to 2 teaspoons of ghee, 2 teaspoons of idli podi. We even have the idli podi recipe in our channel. You can check that too. This adds an extra layer of flavor and spice, making the dish more exciting. Finally, sprinkle a tablespoon or 2 of roasted sesame seeds for a nutty crunch and finish it off by garnishing with fresh cilantro for a burst of freshness. Serve hot and enjoy this wholesome, flavorful Bottle Gourd Sprouts Rice. It's a perfect blend of taste and nutrients. This is just ideal for your lunchbox. Remember, eating healthy doesn't mean compromising on flavor. Enjoy your meal and stay tuned for more healthy recipes. Meet you in another video. Bye.